Good day. Today, I'll be demonstrating the Rosemount 5300 guided wave radar level transmitter, a superior performance guided wave radar for accurate and reliable level and interface measurement, even in difficult process conditions like vapor, turbulence, and multiple liquid layers. For this demonstration, we're using the Rosemount 5302 model, equipped with a single rigid rod probe. This model is specifically designed to measure level and interface levels, making it ideal for dynamic tank levels, such as in separators and oil-water applications. Emerson also offers other probe types within the 5300 series, including flexible single lead, segmented rigid rod coaxial, and large coaxial probes, each optimized for different tanks, media types, and measurement challenges. The Rosemount 5300 series uses guided wave radar technology based on time domain reflectometry. It sends low-energy, high-frequency microwave pulses down a probe. When the pulse reaches a medium with a different dielectric constant, part of the signal reflects back to the transmitter. The time difference between the transmitted and reflected pulse is converted into a distance. The total level or interface level is then calculated. Because the signal travels along a probe, GWR is very stable. Even in applications involving vapor, turbulence, or single liquid interfaces, provided proper configuration and probe selection. In this setup, we've installed the Rosemount 5302 with a single rigid rod probe inside a water-filled cylinder. The water's high dielectric constant produces a strong reflection, allowing for a clean and reliable level reading. Now, we've added a layer of oil above the water. This setup simulates an oil-water interface. When the radar pulse hits the oil with a lower dielectric constant, part of the energy reflects. The rest residual energy continues through and reflects more strongly from the water below. The Rosemount 5302 processes both reflections and calculates the product level and the interface level, oil and water in this case, without requiring the probe to be fully submerged. A key advantage of this model. While the Rosemount 5300 series performs well in demanding environments, measurement reliability depends on proper installation and configuration. It works in light, airy, or conductive foam. Heavy or dry foam may affect signal. For turbulence and vapor, use anchored probes or stilling wells to stabilize signal. In low dielectric liquids, use probe end projection and echo tracking adjustment. For multilayer liquids, it works best with clear dielectric contrast and probe immersion. The Rosemount 5300 series has a plus or minus 3 mm accuracy, no moving parts which minimizes maintenance, is certified ATX, IECX, SIL2/SIL3 for hazardous areas, supports HART, Modbus, and Foundation Field Bus. Its interface measurement is possible in both submerged and non-submerged applications. To summarize, the Rosemount 5302, featured in this demo with a single rigid rod, accurately measures both level and interface without full submersion. With the right configuration, the Rosemount 5300 series provides accurate, robust, and maintenance-free level measurement across a wide range of industrial applications. Thank you for watching. For more information, feel free to contact us at sales@gauging.com.sg.